Biakamal, Gwazamani, take 10 multiple choice questions. Teacher alaka based on your content and content key course down and chi quen ka queen networking ka key computer networking. Gwazame go region baje teach ka question ti ka go region jin bi jangniken bi kaloy gwasamo. Question niam Guatemala Quen. What type of network cover a small area like home, office, or school compound? What type of network covers a small area like home, office, or school compound? A. Metropolitan area network. B. Local area network. C. Y area network. D. Virtual private network. A network made cover guatod chet ke cheng ki muktab ki dul gorka de choli network amo namojen. Question number 1. Question number 2. What is the main difference between the internet and intranet? Internet can intranet deg denamo. A. The internet is used within organization while an internet is global. B. The internet is private while an intranet is public. C. The internet connect millions of devices worldwide while an intranet is a private and used within organization. D. There is no difference between them. They check the wrong. You know what is the difference between intranet and intranet. Internet ngudia diagram of intranet. Internet ngai jen go mukut netung wan cook jagamar we mon keliu intranet mani bi ngaja go anwo jen leda commercial ken onwo ka organization method chit ka private organization anyway bi jigdu bi chu kwang ping gwatamo. Question number 3, which of the following is not a key component of a network? Which of the following is not a key component of a network? A. Router. B. Microwave. C. A switch. D. Cable. And the entire component of network on Guadame. Router, microwave, a switch, cable, and mini garpin. Question number 4. Tijan Mwande. What is the main function of a router in a network? Router ngula ladamo ka network. A. To store and manage network resources. B. To connect devices with the network and manage traffic. C. To direct data between different networks and connect multiple devices to the internet. D. To provide power to network devices. Jigu daramandian router angula ladamo ka network router. Bicho kwanya jegda. Question nandiadian. What is an IP address used for? What is an IP address used for? La lat IP address la lel kan jongo. IP address ngi internet protocol. A. To assign a unique numerical label to a device on a network. B. To connect to, this is number 1, okay? To assign unique numerical label to device on a network. B. To connect two devices using a cable. C. To provide Wi-Fi connectivity. D. To secure network from cyber threat. Bijig bicho garpin an IP address la demo ka network. Question number 6. What is the key difference between IPv4 and IPv6? IPv4 and IPv6 ngula deg dianon. Based on dana shi course ye kan gaja. IPv4 uses 128-bit addressing while IPv6 uses 32-bit addressing. B. IPv4 support only a limited number of devices while IPv6 support a much larger number of devices. C. IPv4 is newer than IPv6. D. IPv6 does not support the internet. B answer B garbage. Number 7. What is the main advantage of a wired network compared to a wireless network? Advantage and dana jaga ka wired network advantage lura naman gwa jaga ka wired network ngi janu network and dana let cable ki malat ka dep minyok ja pare ke wireless network chere ke wifi men chilet ke dep men le jen kare jom jakulo advantage wire tangu. A, wire network are more expensive. B, wired network are slower but more secure. C, wired network offer higher speed and security compared to wireless network. D, wireless network require physical cable for connection. Bijigli bisho gor gwasmo men gor ka longo bidak wire bi ngaj wire mitaka def wireless metal def dag den bi ngaj do know an wire chakulo advantage dengu kimen go akaje hon. Question number 8, which network topology connect all devices to a central devices? Which network topology connect all devices to a central devices? A, bus topology. B, star topology. C, ring topology. D, mate topology. Which of the following is an example of a network security threat? Which of the following is an example of a network security threat? A, malware. B, antivirus software. C, firewall. D, VPN. Question number 10. What is phishing in terms of network security? What is phishing in terms of network security? Phishing network security. A, type of malware that destroys system. B, a deceptive email or message designed to steal personal data. C, a network setup that allows device to connect wirelessly. D, a secure method of encrypting network traffic. Gwada me mishi jeg bi gorno bi jeng ko bi karpin gwada mo ko be jekula loka ta dan diri networking diri ngai ke je mina lo jeng nyok liang nyok bi jeng ken bi ko je gorno jinba bi ko sam bi nyok me kan je nyok ane gorno bi karpin gwada bi tegamal bye bye.